I'm about to show you how you can schedule content inside of Metricool. And I don't mean for just Facebook or Instagram. I mean TikTok, Pinterest, Google My Business, LinkedIn, Twitter, all the platforms, right? So this is going to blow your mind. Just wait, and you're going to watch all of it as I do it with you. Are you ready? You've got this. All right, so one of the other awesome things that you can do inside of Metricool is that you can schedule content. What? For every platform? This is for real. I want to give you a quick overview of the homepage as you can see it here. So when we want to create a post, we simply go to planning and then we select create a post, right? Pretty simple, right? Here is the other cool thing that I love. So let's say I want to post this on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and that's it, right? Like we want to post it on those 3 platforms. We can come over here on the right-hand side and I can see what it's going to look like as desktop for these 3 platforms. I can also go down here and click mobile and see what it's going to look like on mobile. Pretty simple, just some text, not an image or anything. I can add an image and I'll show you one of those in just a second. But what happens is right here is I can publish it now or I can schedule it. Well, let's say I want to publish it for the 18th. So on Friday at, let's say 1 p.m., let's say 1:05 p.m., right? And so I have that there. So 18th, 1:05 p.m., I can simply save it because I've already reviewed it, right? I've already seen that it looks good. I'm good. And let's save it right here. And then we can see over here, it is scheduled, right? Now, what we have up right now is an Instagram. I can go to Twitter and see when the best times to post on Twitter would be. Obviously, the darker blue, the better. The same thing with Facebook, which is pretty much all the same colors. There's just a few variations there, but we can see what has the times has been posted. So this one right here was posted to Google My Business. And so this one is, you can see it's kind of muted because it's actually already been posted. So there's no need to go back and look at that unless I just want to review it and repost it again in the future. Okay. So super easy. You can do all these platforms at the same time. You can do one. You can check out your month in advance. So if you wanted to see what all you have scheduled for the entire month, you can see that. And then by just looking at the little teeny icons at the top, I know this is Google My Business. I know that's Facebook. I know that's LinkedIn. I know this has a Twitter post as well. So I already showed you how amazing the analytics was. And so adding this new layer is just like a game changer, right? I don't use this for Instagram. I post pretty, I don't normally schedule out Instagram, to be honest with you. So I normally just automatically post to my feed, but you can check out your feed post to see what's going on so you know what to go in there next. You can also add, again, images, right? So I can add an image from my computer right there. I can add a GIF if I want. You can search them, which is really cool, right? Obviously, I'm not going to add all these. I can upload a video. If I want to upload a video, I can do a video if I want. Again, I'm not really going to upload all these things, but if I wanted to, I could, right? And then again, I can pick all the platforms I want to put it on. On Instagram, you can see that feed post is automatic posting. If you want to post a reel or a story, it's manual, meaning it's going to send you a push notification on your phone, say, hey, this is ready to be posted. The same thing happens on TikTok, right? So on TikTok, we'll have the same thing happen. And then on TikTok and Instagram, let's go back here a second. So let's say I want to post this on Instagram, right? And we're going to pretend this is the image we're going to use, even though it's not, but it's okay. All right, let's take that off. Let's put that there and take that off. Okay. So what we can do is we can do hashtag. So let's say I want some social media hashtags. So I can look here. I can see how many views each of them have, right? All the goodness. And let's say I want to get down here to some of these. That's obviously not, I don't want social distance. I don't even want fashion. But we can go and see what do we have when it comes to social media that would work, right? So what of these social media consultant? Absolutely. Social media help, social media for business, right? And then I can add in some business owner. Let's actually not do that. Let's do inspiration. And so I can do it right here by doing the hashtag and letting it come up. Or if I want to see the actual numbers, I can go right here. The great thing is that you can also do this inside of TikTok. So again, we can go to TikTok and see one I use all the time on, let's get, okay, so we did visibility. So we have visibility strategy. We have all of these, right? So we can check these out on Instagram or TikTok, which is amazing, right? Being able to do this is amazing. So there are some other cool things that we can do. So we have Instagram auto or presets, right? And then we can have that auto published, right? Which is what we would want. We wouldn't want the notifications to do that. So that is super nice. We can also set up notifications. So if we want to be emailed when these things are posted, we can do that as well. I love that you can check your time zone. You can publish now if you want something to go everywhere right now in this moment. So that feels really good too. But all the possibilities, right? Like all the possibilities. Let me show you Pinterest too really quick. So let's say we're going to post this on Pinterest. I don't need this. I don't need this. We can go here and we can add our title, right? So, inspire you today. And then we can find the board. So these are all the boards that I have. I normally post everything to be social. So we could add that there and it would go to the correct board of Pinterest, right? Isn't this amazing? Are you like so excited? There's so much you can do. So I'm going to cancel out of this really quick. Okay. And again, just show you how we can see this as a day, a week, or a month. We can also see if we want to just look at certain platforms. So if I want to see all the platforms, I would want to make sure all these are connected right here, right? But let's say I only want Twitter. So I'm going to turn all these others off and I only want to see what's going to go on Twitter. It's going to show me what's on Twitter. Correct? If I want to see just what's been published on any platform, I can put all these back up here and I can see what has been published, right? Or sorry, that's not published. Now we can see what's published. So it's just making sure that the ones you want to see are the dark gray and the ones that you don't want to see are the light gray, right? So we can see these two posts have been published. So super cool. Feels really good to have this. We can check our history as well. So we can see everything that's been posted. Again, we can search by the platform that it's set up on. And that, my friends, is how you schedule with Metricool. Are your minds blown? Are you ready to check out this app? Like, this software is amazing. And if you use the code Crissy, Crissy, all caps, with the link, you get 30 days free. No joke. 30 days free to try it out to see if it is the app for you. If you struggle with consistency, if you struggle with time, this is the place where you can post everything all at one time. And here's the deal. Sure, do I like when people use Facebook and Instagram products? I do. But what's more important than using their products? It's being consistent. So if you are stuck being consistent, schedule them all at the same place, right? The average percentage of people that are following your Facebook, your business Facebook, and your business Instagram is less than 5%. You have less than 5% crossover between the two. So it's not the end of the world if you post them at the same time. Again, done is better than perfect. Let's get the content out there. We can go live sporadically. We can do video sporadically, but let's get consistent content out to our audience so that we can stress less and we can do more of the things that we love that are in our zone of genius.